How to check all answers in Google Forms on mobile. The first thing is you need to access the form through the Google Forms. Just access your web browser and type in Google Forms here. So once you already have a form, it will automatically link to your Google account. The way how you sign into Google Forms, like for this one. So in this case, we'll have to go ahead and check on our Google Drive. So let's just pull up our Google Drive here. Now click on the form that you just answered or you created, and then there will be three sections at the top of your mobile screen. There will be questions, responses, and settings. Now, once you already forwarded your Google form to any person that you want the form to be answered or a survey, you will be automatically routed to responses and it will start to count as one. And from here, you will be able to see all or check all answers on all of those questionnaires. So that's how you check all answers in Google Forms on your mobile.